Right, this is your typical heater advertisement, and there's loads and loads of these online. And if you look at the professional nature of the actual website, it's very, very high quality. And if you look at this, it's very, very convincing. One thing I'm trying to do is find a contact. Can't find anything about us, so go there. See who these people are. Ecom7. Who on earth are Ecom7? We don't know who Ecom7 are. All copyrights are reserved by Ecom7. Home terms of use, privacy policy, contact us. You want to contact Ecom7. Help Centre. Delivery time, finding your order, user manuals, accept cookies, English language. Spain. Alright. So I've got to phone Spain. Some Spanish telephone number. Just to speak about my order. Right. So let's just say I want to buy one of these. And I'm worried that they're going to run out. Because these things are so fantastic. They're unbelievable. They are brilliant. How many left? Oh, look. Offer ends and... Oh, it's a half price offer. Only 32 remaining. So what if I refresh the page? Oh, it's gone back to 30 minutes and 25 seconds. Only 33 remaining. Oh, they've somehow acquired another one. I'm running out of time, so I think what I'll do is I'll see if I can give myself a bit more time to buy these rubbish things. Oh, I mean lovely heaters. Oh, it's gone back to 30 minutes. Now there's only 21 remaining. Oh dear, I better be quick. How about I refresh the page? 6 remaining. Oh, they'll all be gone soon. Oh dear, that's really worrying me, that is. Oh, back to 18. That's funny, isn't it? They must have them coming in thick and fast. 22 remaining. Oh, they're getting more and more in as we speak. So this 10 remaining doesn't mean anything, does it? Because what it really means, oh, an offer is only valid, that's a lie. Because it ain't valid, is it? For 30 minutes. Because all you've got to do is refresh the page. Oh, look, it's valid for 30 minutes and 29. So this site, giving you the impression, there's these heaters that you can buy off Alibaba for perhaps 10 UK pounds, probably. So let's just go on Alibaba, see if we can buy some. Alibaba. We'll call it a mini heater, shall we? Mini heater. I'll agree to that. M-I-N-I H-A-T-E-R, mini heater. Oh, look. Oh, would you believe it? I can get one for what is in effect $15.97. Amazing. Or would I rather pay loads of money? Oh, look, here's another one here. If you buy 500, you get for $1.80 to $4.50 plus no doubt a bit of shipping. So that's what's going on. Oh, look. $2.50 to $4.75. What a con. $3.25. And this is Alibaba.com. So here's a tip. Don't pay loads of money for them. Let me give you an example of how much you pay if you're not careful. Right. Go back to Alibaba. Bearing in mind you can get them for £10 including delivery. Here you can pay how much? £55. What a bargain. Or you get 2 for £89. And it says the offer is valid. What offer? Oh, they're £110, aren't they? Oh, so I'm getting a bargain here for £55. Oh, yeah. With free shipping. That's good, isn't it? Not.